Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last video, we covered up to pattern number 36. Now we will see pattern number 37. It is the same like 36th pattern, but in the place of capital A, I want to take a small a. Small a, small a, small a, small a like this, small b, small b, small b, small b like this, small c like this, small d like this, and a small e like this. Like this, we need to print, sir. So how we can able to work with this, we are going to see. Now, what we have to do? Very simple, 0 to 4, 0 to 4, everything is the same. What is the ASCII value of lowercase alphabets? It is nothing but 97. If you run with that, what will happen? We are going to get these stars, these alphabets like this. But row wise, we have to increase, right? So if you add plus I, like previous example, we are going to get in the first row A, and in the second row B, in the third row C, in fourth row D, in fifth row E. Like this, we are going to get. Okay. So this is nothing but how it is going to meet our requirement. Okay. Right. I think you got very clear clarity how we can able to implement this, right? Thank you, sir.